I got here as...
Can you believe it? Actual Snidgets. I'm glad we seem to be a step ahead of the poachers.
It is a little strange we haven't heard anything from them.
If we're lucky, they're still poring over Gran's research. There was a fair amount. We, on the other hand, had Doran to guide us.
Greetings.
Even if the poachers do somehow
I hope
stumble
we haven't
upon
kept
this
you waiting
place,
long, Doran.
we shall be long gone.
Not at all. Then again, it is not I who awaits your arrival. Do you have the Moonstone with you?
We do.
Good. It is as important to what happens next as both of you are.
So, what does happen next? What are these pillars here?
A safeguard, I suspect. There is only one way to find out. And as
Accio.
to how to go about that, the two of you may know better than anyone.
That did it! Look, Doran, a doorway!
I suspect we all know what lies beyond that passage. And now, I'm afraid I must leave you.
Look at the murals on the wall.
Revelio.
All creatures. This place must have been built to protect them. They had nothing to fear.
What makes you say that?
The poacher camps always felt oppressive. It's hard to explain, but the feeling was palpable. At least to me. The sense I get here is of safety and calm. Quite the opposite of the poacher camps.
Confringo!
I'll wager this isn't the dead end it seems to be. But how to get
Accio.
through?
Wingardium Leviosa. Accio. Wingardium Leviosa. Accio. Confringo. Glacius.
Of course. How clever.
Little puppy squeaking.
What was that?
Not Doran, that's for certain. Accio. Incendio.
You better stay.
Confringo. Accio. Incendio. Accio.
Hatch you wanted.
Confringo.
You'll need to be.
Protego.
Marvelous. Stop spinning around like a.
Accio. Incendio.
Intego. Are you even trying? Ah, so close.
Bombarda. Accio.
Thought you had me there. Was that meant to be an attack of?
Shall we finish what we started?
That's the best you can do, is it?
Ready your wands. The fight.
Expelliarmus!
I'm sure it's a bit hard at the count.
Confringo. Bombarda.
What have you done?
Descendo. Glacius. Levioso.
Am I supposed to be impressed?
Debalso!
Now, all right, you have your fun. Back to the dirt, like you. Back in the... Shoot there.
Defendo!
Stop right there! Like you go! You won't protect us!
Accio! Accio! Incendio! Bombarda! Confringo! Incendio!
Levioso! Confringo! Levioso! And it's your...
Accio! Incendio!
Next door. Back!
Incendio! Bombarda! Confringo!
That was the grab. Expellion!
Presenter!
Yours is
Protego!
the locker.
Accio! Incendio! Confringo!
I won't fight till the end.
Levioso!
Worse than mud bark.
Levioso!
When I get down, you're in a heap.
Sendo!
Hotel Hall.
Depulso! Glacius! Confringo! Accio! Incendio! Bombarda! Confringo!
That was the grab.
Accio! Incendio! I think that was all of them.
Are the two of you unharmed? I had hoped to return before it was too late.
We're fine, but if you hadn't got here when you did, I led them here, Doran.
You fought with us against your kind. I am
Glacius! Confringo!
all that Doran told me. Finish your work here. All the events you divide have not yet come.
There they are. Now, all that remains is to break the charm.
You want us to... I only ever wanted to see them safe, which they are. You should do it. Merlin, they're lovely. But what happens now? They can't care for themselves, and surely once word gets out of their reappearance...
No harm will come to them. The centaurs will see to that. You have my word.
Thank you, Doran, for helping us to find them and to fight for them.
It is you who deserves the merit, child. You did what the poachers would never have. Remember that. You both fought bravely today. Allow us to carry the mantle from here.
If it's all right, Doran, I think I'd like to stay behind and spend a little more time with the Snidgets.